said there, no, na parang para magiging washing machine or punching bag daw kayo ng publiko, no? Parang sinabi niyo daw po na parang bakit niyo daw po iniris yung inyong buhay para linisin ang kalat ng Malacanang. Any confirmation?
Hindi naman kalat lang ng Malacanang ito, no? Kalat ng buong Pilipinas. I mean, this will not happen without connivance of several offices, no? Including the agency where I served for 6 full years. No? Kaya ako nalulungkot. No? And I keep repeating, even today, I will repeat it again in front of all of you. The total master plan for flood control for the 18 major river basins. Kala nyo 18 lang yon, but the 18 major river basins cover 63 provinces nationwide. Kasi pag sinabi mo, Cagayan River Basin, ang daming probinsya niyan, magmula sa Cordillera hanggang doon sa dulo. No? Pag sinabi mo, Pampanga River Basin, ilang probinsya ang sakop niyan? Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Bulacan, Pampanga, all the way to Manila Bay. So hanggang part of Metro Manila. So when I say 18 major river basins, it covers 63 provinces. Yun ang kinsasama ng loob ko. The cost of the budget allocated for flood control, nakawin na nila yung iba. No? 1.7 trillion was allocated for flood control alone during the last 10 years, 2016 to 2025. Those 18 major river basins could have been implemented over a 3-4 year period for only 800 to 900 billion pesos. Hindi pa sa kasamaan loob natin dun. Kalahati lang mansanan yan, ginamit nila ng tama, di na-solve yung problema on flooding. Di ba? Kayo, isipin niyo yun. Hayaan mo na yung iba. Magkano yung lumabas na 1 trillion, ilang trillion yung nai-budget over the last 10 years. 1.7 na lang sana itinabi nila. Tinabi nila, hindi pa din ginamit ng tama.